This is how to make a piping bag out of greaseproof paper. So once you tear your piece of greaseproof paper, make sure you've torn it off nice and neatly. We fold it across this edge, do a nice neat fold through here. Okay, then with our knife, gently cutting away from ourselves, we cut along that edge that we folded. Oh no, it's not cutting right. Okay, so we get, most of the time, a pretty neat edge. Okay, this is the trick. I've got a little bit there, I'll just cut that off. Okay, here's the trick. My hands go upside down and across. So, no, one here, so palm up on the left-hand side. Okay, this, then I cross these 2 points and spin them around until I can touch them, one on the front and one on the back. Okay, then you bring all 3 points up to the top, and that will give you that cone. Okay, show you again. So start the point of the triangle down, left hand over the top. Okay, palm up, cross the 2 points, bring the back one all the way around, and they will be on top of each other, one on front and one on back. Okay, and then we bring those in, so there should be one line where everything joins on the back edge. Okay, then we fold that in, not out. We have then a little piping bag with a super fine point for our chocolate work. So I've now got my white chocolate that I'm going to garnish our little Petitfour nut clusters with. Now what I need to make sure I do with my white chocolate, because it is going through such a fine point bag, I have to make sure that there's absolutely no lumps of semi-hard chocolate in there, otherwise they get clogged and it ruins my whole sort of garnish. So I hold the bag at the join and it's hot. Aim for the centre. Make sure I hold the join. If I'm holding this bag like this, anywhere other than that join, the whole thing's just going to fall apart. Never try to overfill your bag. Only to about 1/3 to halfway, absolute maximum. Once you've got a bag folded, you can't then try to refill it. They're single-use bags. It'd be really messy if you tried to refill that. Okay, so you see I've got my join line. I clamp this together, fold my corners in, and I always fold away from my join line. All right. If I fold towards it, it'll loosen up and be all come undone. So by folding away, that keeps that edge nice and tight. So now I just cut the size that I want, which is about 1 millimetre. Okay, I can test it. That's perfect. Okay, here we go. So nice and fast. Just put my lines across. You can do one at a time to start with, if you like. You've got plenty of chocolate. You can do long lines, because that'll give you a nice thin line. You can do crisscross if you want, depending on you. That's our garnish. Ta-da!